Hi, welcome back to Postbox CS channel and back to the tutorial for C programming and let's go for session today. Today we are going to see the very important topic called operators in C language. In the previous session I hope that you understand the topic about data types in C language. So let's start before the programming, how to write a C program and everything. We have to discuss about this one very important operators in a C language. If you want to write any C program, these fundamental concept you should be strong, you should be known. And also if you want to crack any IT company or placements or university gate or any competitive exams, these are the fundamental one, definitely will helpful for you. Be understand, then only upcoming session you can see the example with runtime examples with execution also, online or offline, whatever there. Let's go for session today. So operators, what is an operator generally? What is mean operator? Operator is nothing but is simply and simple. What is operator? It is a symbol that is used to perform operations. Where it perform the operation data. There can be many types of operations like arithmetic, logical, bitwise and so on. There are following types of operators will be there to perform different types of operations in C language. Okay, so operator is a symbol. For example, you can say, see, you can write in the program C is a comma b is the variable and a comma b comma c, then you can write a plus b. So what happen, plus is the here, which is what are the plus is a symbol and a comma b are the operand. So before knowing about operate, you have to clear with the operands. What is operand or operands means the variables which are used for to perform the operation is called operands. So for example, you are writing a plus b where plus is the symbol to perform the addition operation and a and b is the operand. Then what are the operators available? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, conditional operators, at last special operators. Let's see one by one with small examples. We are not going to a complete program as a beginner of the C program, just understand enough. So arithmetic operations, let's assume the here value of a variable a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and how do you perform the operations? If you want to perform the arithmetic operation, that is numerical calculations, you can write a plus b. So operations, plus means are two operands. That's why just now I told you. Minus for subtract and multiplication for asterisk symbol for multiply and division for divide number by denominator. Similarly, percentage for remainder of division, and very important, increment operator, decrement operator. Plus is the increment operator where increases integer value by 1, and minus decrement operator, that is decrement decreases integer value by 1. So how can you can say example, suppose I am giving, assume that a is equal to 10. If I give a plus, what happen? The value of a will be increased by 1, that is a value become 11. Similarly, the value is 10 here. If I give a minus, what will happen? The value become 9 here. So, and moreover, there are two types of operator in increment operator, that is called pre-increment, another is a post-increment. So pre-increment means what? Example, you can say plus a. That means what happen? First the value 1 will be there, the value 1, default value 1 plus the variable value 10 will be added. So answer is 11. Similarly, post increment first a is equal to 10 will be there, then after this a is equal to 10, after executing the a is equal to 10, the value will be 1 added here, so a value become 11. There is no change in output, but while expressing you have to say. So pre-increment what happen? Already plus 1 will be there, you can add a value, so 1 plus 11, 11 will be there. The second time post increment, first a is equal to 10 will be there, then the new value, the default value 1 will be added, so again a value become 11. So like that, decrement are the same, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So you can give minus a, that is a pre-decrement, and a minus is the post-decrement. Then relational operators. So there are many symbols used for operators for relational operator. If you want to compare or check whether both are equal or not, that situation you can use the relational operators. So example, you can say is equal to. So check if two operands are equal, that a and b are equal to or not. Then is not equal to, both are not equal to, how do you know? And less than, greater than, or greater than equal to, or less than equal to. So it's a very simple and easy. So if you want to, let's assume that a value 10 and b value is 20. So how do you can check whether a greater than b or not? If at all yes, it will print the a is big. If not, what happen? It will print b is big when you write the program. So we can write a greater than b, or a is not equal to b or not, then a less than b, or whatever that you can use. Next, logical operators. So generally C language support three logical operators, one called AND, logical AND, another is a logical OR, another is a logical NOT. So how we can use it? Example, you can say A and B is false, and A or B is true, and is not A is false. The logical operator one we use for some program, particular program. It's not much important or usage in the C program. So when I use, let's calculate the biggest of three numbers or whatever, that time you can use A and B or not, like that. So, and moreover it follows some tables also. As a beginner, no need to go for all the things. Then cover the bitwise operators. What are the use of bitwise operators? These are operators perform manipulation of data at bit level. Some manipulation data. Remember, these bitwise operators we can use for the int, double, caret data types. So example, you can say A is equal to some number given, binary number given, B is equal to given, then A less than equal to B, you can give like this. So some of the bit operators, example you can say and bitwise are, and the bitwise exclusive are left shift and left right. So these operators you may use in the upcoming sessions, because these are very important when if you want to understand technical C and high level C programming extension. We need support of left shift and right shift. So just mean left shift not just moving, okay, moving the bit to left, one bit, two bit, and so on. Right bit means you can say, for example, say A less than B, and you can say X less greater than B, like that we can use. Upcoming sessions we will see everything. Now understand bitwise operator. These are used for perform manipulation of data at bit level. Assignment operators. So it's a very important operator, one of the important major operator in the C programming, because without assignment operator we can't write any C program. Say it's having operator like equal, plus equal, minus equal, asterisk equal, and slash equal. So again repeating, what are the operands? If you use A, suppose I am writing the exam A is equal to B, this A and B are the operand. Here A and B are the operand. Let's assume that example. So equal to what? Assign value from right side operands to left side operand. Say A is equal to B. Then another plus equal to here. Remember, so here we are using we can say another name for assignment operator is shorthand operator. So instead of writing A is equal to A plus B, you can write A plus equal to B. The meaning is same. A is equal to A plus B, you can write in the shorthand A plus equal to B. For example, you give A value is 5, what happen? The 5 will be added with the B here. Similarly, A minus B is equal to, A is equal to A minus B is equal to A minus B, A minus equal to B. And similarly, A is equal to A star B, you can write short as A asterisk symbol equal to B. All are same only. So like that you can use the assignment operator. Most of the program we are going to see in the upcoming session with the help of assignment operators. The program written with the assignment operators and relations and so on. Then condition operators, a very important operator where there are two more names available in the ternary operator. Condition operator is called ternary operator and asterisk question mark operator. So two symbols are ternary and question mark. What is the syntax of condition operator? The operator concept syntax like expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. The meaning is what? X equal to, example you can say C is equal to A greater than B or not, A colon B. So what is this pipe symbol? It's not showing properly here. Pipe symbol so dash will come in your computer, can check it. Pipe symbol only here, right? So example, so here the what is expression 1, expression 2. So it will go and check. First it will check C is equal to A greater than B or not. If A greater than B, it go and print the A value. That's true means. If not there, it go and give the chance to B. Then B will be printed. Remember, again repeating, example for a condition operator is very easy. See, A greater than B are checking. If A greater than B, if condition true, it will print A, or else it print the B. Explanation given here. What is the question mark here? This syntax represents the if part. So instead of if A greater than B something, you can use it here. Conditional statements. Then the first expression generally returns either true or false, based on which it is decided by the whether expression 2 will be executed or expression 3. And also if expression 1 returns true, then the expression on the left side that is expression 2 is executed. If expression 1 returns false, then the expression on the right side of the expression 3 is executed. So just check, compare the expression 1 with the 2 and the expression 1 with the 3. Which is right, which is true, it will go and print the answer. If it's not true, it go and take the another option, another expression. Let's go for a special operator. These are the one upcoming session also we going to discuss. For the operators like size of and asterisk symbol. So what is this of size of? That is returns the size of an array variable. Example, you can say size of x return the size of the variable. For example, I am writing x equal to 1 to 3 and using size of x. What will happen? So totally 3 digits will be there. It go and print the numerical calculation. No? So it will print size of x is 3 like that. And it returns the address of an variable and x. Example, it returns address of the variable x. This topic we will discuss in the, this operator we are going to deeply discuss in the concept of pointers. An asterisk symbol, it's is meaning that pointer to a variable, that is asterisk x, that means will be pointed to a variable x. Okay, so these are the special operator. These also we are going to use in the upcoming sessions with the examples and everything. I hope that you understand what are the operators and so on. In the previous session I explained about the data types, derivative data type, enum, void and so on, basic data types. So if you have any doubts, please kindly check the playlist, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please communicate with us in the social media, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates, and thanks for watching.